If you cannot see incoming calls on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So first of all, what you can do is you can check if you have Do Not Disturb mode activated. When you have DND mode on, you might not be able to see if someone tries to call you. So in that case, when you have DND mode activated, you might want to turn it off and see if you can actually see the incoming call on your display. There's also, of course, the silent mode, which can also be, I don't think it's actually the reason why you cannot really see the incoming call, but just in case, of course, you can make sure that you are actually using the sound mode over here instead of the silent mode. So switch back to the normal mode, at least for now, or at least use the vibration mode to check if that helps. Now, if this wasn't because of the DND and it wasn't because of the silent mode, then another thing that we can do is go to settings. Next, over here, we're gonna choose apps, and then tap over here to see all apps. Once we have the full list of apps, we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and we want to show system apps as well. Now, in here, we need to search for phone, and you will be able to find a bunch of different apps, and unfortunately, well, still we cannot choose apps after searching for some reason, so we have to scroll down. In this case, let's go to phone. And in the case of the phone app over here, this main phone app, we're gonna force stop it. And then we're gonna go to storage and cache, and we want to clear storage. There we go. Go back and open permissions and make sure that you have these permissions allowed for this app. If not, then of course you want to choose the permission and grant the permission for this app. Besides that, we're gonna go to phone and messaging storage. We want to go to clear to storage and cache, and we want to clear cache in here. Or if you can clear storage, then you want to do that instead. Let's go back, open phone calls, open storage and cache, and then we're gonna clear the storage again. Let's go back again and choose phone services and do the same thing. Open storage and clear the whole storage of the app. All right. Now, after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to find M to see if there's anything else, but I guess not. All right, so I'm gonna just search for call to see if we have any apps. No, so just these apps that I had shown you. So after that, what you can do is you can go back to the phone app, and if you reopen it, you will notice that it looks slightly different. This is the previous previous version of the phone, pre-update, that was recent. So you might have this appearance for a short while, and after some time it will actually go back to the new mode, new style, I mean, new look. But essentially you wanted to check if that was helpful, if this solved your problems with calls not showing. Of course, remember that you also can do the restart of the device, so you can open the power menu and just reboot your device to see if that helps as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.